ain't really made love in a minute. She said she ain't never made love in a minute.
What's up, guys? Next day here, man, all loaded up. I got my backpack on, so it's the last day we're gonna be here, so it's time to go get some great content, man. My truck is still at Dre crib, so got my backpack on, clothes and everything loaded up, man. Let's hop on the bike and get up out of here, dog. Feel me? Just put up to the homie crib, man. Bright and early, not bright and early, but man, early enough, man. The homie pulled up. We about to go slide today. Y'all see the laptop on the seat, man. I'm trying to get y'all this YouTube video, man, so bear with your boy. But man, we about to get it in. Homie about to pull his bike out. Hopefully a couple more homies pull up, man. We gonna get cracking today, man. So yesterday was live. Today probably gonna be like 10 times better, man. So let's get it in, big dog. And one of the other homies pulled up. Y'all know what time it is. We about to get it going. Got my bike wiped down. Is he gonna wheelie? Nah, he didn't wheelie. I just knew he was gonna wheelie. Homie just pulled his out. Y'all see what's going on? Everything wet up. Dang, man. Everything's clean. Everything's clean, dog. Y'all see what's going on? Y'all see what's going on, man. Silverback. Blue Magic. Yes, sir. It's time to roll out, dog.
GoPro footage, bro, you fucking got sideways at the light. Was like, oh, I was like, this nigga's going crazy back here. It was on Western. I was like, that nigga's going crazy.
Couple retweets and niggas stop playing when you fucking with this thing team.
Homie done dropped the bike. Damn, here, man, let me help you out, man. 1, 2. Whew, good. Homie, it's crazy. We slide though, man. You got you good now.
Never did you ride that over here.
What the fuck? Them pipes sound pretty good though. They sound pretty beefed up. That shit ain't gonna work. I think these guards is too big. I wish the nigga had the truck right here and just drive up with the ramp. Just... Oh yeah, we good. We got room. I didn't think we was gonna have room. Oh yeah, you green.
Fresh out the.
But why you turn, nigga? Why you didn't go straight? Oh, there you go. He knew what he was doing. He knew what he was doing. There we go. I just look over and see him over with the bike. I'm like, oh man. He riding though.
I would have to go all the way around.
Yeah, nah. And the homie got this one from the auction. Hey, where you get this one from again? What auction?
Copart.
Which one though?
Minnesota.
What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart, from how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it, and you could too.
Without a cosign, I came in a function, burnt out only 2 letters. It's a D or a shirt, but my shoe better. First off, I get money on my arm like D-Reach. I'ma shoot in his face like Ben Laden.
Got them pipes sounding beefy. We gonna slide today though, big dog. Out here in Long Beach, got the bikes out. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all see what's going on. I'm big sliding. My freaking GoPro done dang near blew off the freaking top. My little turn signal then can't popped out a little bit, I guess, man. I'm all jacked up. I gotta get it going, man. But we ride and glide, man. So let's see what we can do. We out here at Long Beach. About to eat at this place called Tequila Jack's, but it's like an hour and 30-minute wait, so I don't know. Feel me? Y'all see what's going on? Y'all see what's going on, man? They got us on like an hour and a half wait. It's crazy.
She ain't really made love in a minute, love in a minute. She's all in a minute. She said she ain't never made love, let me hit it. She said that she ready for love.
Just like that, a fucking good day, complete bike, shit then fucking, it's a wrap. Could have been worse. Ain't shit wrong with this nigga bike.
Oh, you know what? Nigga, that's at my shop. I got this whole piece at my shop already. Okay, how much I owe you?
Thanks, man. Appreciate it, bro. That's crazy, dude. This shit don't make no sense. man, I could finally show y'all the damage, man. I done cooled down a little bit. Wanted to blow. Just, we don't even gotta go there. But it's not that bad. I guess it was all tire to the fender. The fender is not that bad, but man, dude, it's just like, I literally just finished this like this week, bro. Like, not even yesterday. But gotta get a whole new little shebang, man. But it could have been a lot worse. Glad it wasn't, but definitely look like I've been popping wheelies and stuff, man. So I really gotta get this thing faster now, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. Ain't nothing wrong with this nigga bike. Nothing at all. Nothing at all, dude. That's crazy. All right, man. We done got this thing all loaded up, man. The LA trip, for the most part, man, was a success. But as you guys see back here, we got some damage, man. We'll just have to observe that tomorrow, as I'm pretty much just literally over it tonight. But everything's strapped down, and it's time to head out of here, man. Feel me? It's crazy, but you know, it is what it is. I'm just glad I'm walking and safe and blessed and all the above, man. I can go back home to my daughter, man. So that being said, let's head back to the city. This nigga pulled up with the oohs and ahs. I see what's going on, man. The heck? This thing is huge, man. What's that?
What's going on, brother?
What's good with you, man?
I can pay my ground.
Yeah, I just fucking loaded it up right now, man. This shit look good. Good looking, man. Alrighty, guys, man, we have finally made it back to the crib. Got Blue Magic in the garage, safe and sound. Pretty cool day until freaking we got smacked in the back right here. So now this is the damage. The fender is a little bit bent, chipped a little paint. Not too worried about the fender. I'm still gonna get it repainted, of course, but as for right now, it's not that bad, but I am gonna get it painted when I get this piece painted. Now, Dre says he has a piece, this piece right here, extra one of these. So pretty much gonna need to find that light. I don't know if he has the light or not too. Cause if you guys see under there, the light is like, we have to zip tie it to get that brake light to still work and everything. So don't know. I know we got to take that off and get some stuff done, but we'll have to work on that tomorrow, man. So, alrighty, guys, it's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. It was a cool little day, but, you know, hey, you know, stuff happens, man. It is what it is. We got the blue bike back safe and sound. I'm safe. I'm still walking on 2 feet, and I can't be happier than that. I can't be any happier. You know, it could have been a lot worse. So, you know, thank God everything played out the way it did, I guess. You know, things could have went smoother, but, you know, all in all, it is all good. Bro is going to pay for the damage and compensate me, you know, because, you know, that's just what you do. It is what it is, man. But, you know, neck hurting a little bit, but, you know, we live to fight another day. I get to walk upstairs and enjoy my daughter, man, so play with her. So, you know, it is what it is, man. I'm gonna just have to do that, but we'll have to figure it out and catch you guys tomorrow, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.